I'm making my own animated music video, day 9. In the last video, I learned this new technique that I thought would be really cool to use for clouds. So now it's time to actually make those clouds. I took this photo and I used it as a reference photo by hanging it in the sky of the scene. Then I used metaballs, which are these weird, like squishy 3D objects. And I used those to trace out the cloud that I wanted from that photo. So here's my cloud model. And I put it in the sky, just like in the reference photo. And so now here's my before, and here's my after. Okay, it looks pretty cool. And it does exactly what I wanted it to do, which is to fill in this empty space up here with something interesting, but that's not gonna take your attention away from the center. So this is coming out pretty good. Follow for more progress and stay creative.